A lot of folks see smart manufacturing as an objective as opposed to a journey. Instead of smart manufacturing, maybe we should think about smarter manufacturing. In other words, how do we utilize the people, processes, and technology we have now in their current configuration, and then complement that with the right capability and the right dose? Whether it's robotics, additive manufacturing, additional sensing, algorithmic tools like AI, all as part of a continuous improvement loop to drive performance to the next level. Right now, we're seeing unprecedented strains on the industrial supply chains. Here's the real opportunity in front of us. If we use the current environment and urgency to make a push for smarter manufacturing, when supply chains begin to stabilize, we'll be far better prepared to drive out cost and waste, accelerate throughput of our existing assets, and deploy new lines and products far faster. So while smart manufacturing is the objective, people, processes, and technologies working in harmony with zero waste, smarter manufacturing is the path there. Frankly, there has never been a better time than now to push your teams to deploy new tools, expand their capabilities, and prepare for the next generation of supply chain and manufacturing effectiveness. You just need to get started.